I'm going to talk about is quasars, quasi-stellar radio sources. They were discovered by radio engineers. They just kept receiving these signals from the outer space. They didn't know what it was. In the radio telescopes, it would just appear this signal and they didn't know where it came from because of the poor angular resolution. They would just look at all these stars that were shining, right? They didn't know which one of them were the source. They had this bright idea, and there was a signal 3C27 something that was really powerful. So if you have a telescope and then you have the moon, and then the moon passes where the signal comes from, then the signal is gonna blink. So that's what they did, and they found the source of the signal. And they just saw this tiny little star with this squiggly thing on its side, so they were really confused. Then they found that these stars, kind of stars, were spelling these jets. When they measured the jets go out from the quasar almost at speed of light. It's really like, what's going on there? Come on. To measure the redshift, you have to measure the spectrum. And the spectrum would look something like this. So these squiggly things, it means that the motions of the quasar were 10 of thousands of kilometers per second, which means that this rate would change of a factor of 2 in like few days. This is not the spectrum of a normal star. A normal star would just have absorption line more spread out. It's at a rough shift at 3.23. That means about 12 billion light years from us. To be that far away from us, it has to be spelling those jets from 12 billion years. The further the quasar is, means it formed just a few years after the Big Bang. How can you make such a thing like a quasar so bright if you don't have anything made yet? To make a massive black hole like a quasar, you have to shrink a factor of 10 to the 10 matter. But again, if it's a black hole, a supermassive black hole, then how is that we see jets coming out of it instead of seeing things being eaten by it? That's it.